What is good YouTube? Your girl Bri is here. Yes, we've got some new hair going on, but that's not why we're here. We are going to be doing a full face of Kosas makeup. This is a brand that just came on the scene. I was able to do a social media campaign with them on Instagram, and in conjunction with us working together, they sent me some of their products. So I just wanted to come on here, do a full face of makeup, talk about them, and we are also reviewing their new bronzer, the Sun Show, which I haven't put this on my skin yet, but it just looks stunning. So if you're interested to see how this brand works, what are some of the products, and my thoughts and opinions, don't click away. Just stay. Don't go anywhere. Just a little bit of background about this company. They are a clean, skin-loving, botanical formula and expert color pigmentation in their products. So it's a visionary collection of nourishing, skin-flattering color cosmetics. They create unparalleled blends that feel better, last longer, and make an impact. We take our name from the philosophy of the 5 Kosas. According to this philosophy, there are 5 intersecting and connected layers of self that communicate with each other. Physical layer, vitalizing layer of energy, sensory mental layer, a discerning intellectual layer, a layer of truthful bliss. Beauty lives in each of these layers, not just in the physical. I just read that for the first time and I completely agree, because we can get so caught up on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, how everybody looks, and if you don't look this way, you're not beautiful. But beauty is not about just this, okay? You can have the prettiest face or be the ugliest on the inside. So I dig their philosophy and what they stand for. They are a clean, skin loving, and they do botanical formulas for expert color pigmentation for their products. This is what I really like. They're flattered across all skin tones. So if you go to their Instagram and you see their campaigns and just the amount of shades and tones that they make, they're inclusive. So I like that about new brands, because some brands only start out with, you know, a couple shade tones. They went all out and they're trying to cater to every single woman and man. So that, kudos to you, Kosas, you get a thumbs up. So first thing that we're gonna try is, which I've also been playing with these products too, so I already have an opinion about them, but this is their Kosas Tint in Oil. Now this formula is pretty bomb. It is super lightweight. It's an oil base. I think it has like 5 different oils in here. I'm actually gonna tell you because I don't wanna get this wrong. Okay, this comes in 10 shades, and the darkest shade is really for deep complexion skin tone, which is beautiful. I love that. This is a foundation, but it's also skincare. It has 6 active botanical oils, and it dries down to this like beautiful velvety consistency. It is so nice. Wow, this matches perfectly. So they sent me 2 shades. This shade is 8.2, and then I got 8 also, because 8 is like my that's my winter shade. That's probably like my all year round shade. But I was like outside today and I can already see like this is gonna be my summer shade, because I already got a tan, and it is so stunning. Like, evens out the skin. It looks like my skin. And if you follow me on IG, you watch my YouTube, you know I'm all about the skin and it looking natural. And I mean, just the finish of this, I would label this like sheer to medium coverage. I have, you know, some sunspots, dark spots, but that really covers so nicely. Yeah. I'm gonna build it up just a little bit. This formula is one that I have not felt from, I don't think, any other brand, because even this, it's really the oils that make the difference. Okay. This retails for $42, and you get 1 fluid ounce for $42, but like I said, a little bit goes a long way. So if you're looking for something lightweight that's good for every day, velvety finish, that's just gives a really flawless finish, I'm gonna suggest this because it is beautiful on the skin. The first two products that I picked up from Kosas, when I saw them in Blue Mercury, I was like, what is this brand? This concealer looks bomb. I got the Revealer concealer and I got their Pulse Hyaluronic Lip Balm. So these were the first two products that I picked up. This concealer, also 10 shades. They're labeling this as an eye cream, a spot treatment, and a concealer all in one. It's super creamy and it has a brightening, clean formula. So it has caffeine, which caffeine we know helps to depuff. Pink algae. It also has arnica, which arnica is so good for depuffing too. Arnica is what is in creams for bruising after surgery, so it really helps to kind of like soothe the skin but also take down any darkness. And then it also has peptides to plump, and it has hyaluronic acid. So like if you are someone who wants something where you want power packed ingredients in your makeup, dude, you're gonna really like this. So this is in shade 8. So this is just like, you know, 2 shades lighter. So I really like to get a really nice brightening going on. They're creamy, they're hydrating. I even like to use these sometimes if I don't want to put on the tinted oil, just spot treat on my skin. But look at that. And it looks like my skin. It doesn't look like I have a full face of makeup on, and that's what I really like about this brand. And the Revealer concealer is $28. A little bit goes a long way. Next, I want to get into their 10-second eyeshadows, because this is something I have never ever seen before. When I was playing with these and I'm like, 10-second eyeshadows, and they're liquid and they come in like these vibrant shades, and I was just like, yo, gotta play with these. So these come in 8 shades. They are $28. Clean formula, water-like pigment for an understated or statement look, and you can use these with your fingers. You're gonna shake them up. I don't even remember changing my ringtone to this. I'm just gonna give you swatches of these because these are so good. So this is Copper Halo, which is a really pretty coppery orange tone. I got Supreme. And Supreme is like that pop of gold element, y'all. Element is this really pretty bronze with a little bit of red. I also have Globe, like your champagne. Oh, and when these dry down, they don't budge, they don't move. And then the last one is Fahrenheit. And this one is like poppin'. That poppin' purpley shade there. So these are so pretty. I like these because I am not a crazy eyeshadow wearer. So like if I can do something where it's all in one, pop it on my lids, keep it moving, use my fingers, no brushes, that's for me. So I actually wanted to play with Copper Halo because I haven't played with Copper Halo at all. It's like a nice little dressing on the eyes, and then I'm also gonna take Globe and use it as a highlight. They reflect so pretty, and they just add the perfect amount of like accent on the eyes. So these are kind of like, these are my favorite right here. I've also used these on my cheeks, and I'll use them on my lips, and they just act as like really pretty lip and cheek accents too to pop. Okay, next I got 2 of these. These are the Color and Light creams. This shade is the 8th Muse, and this shade is Velvet Melon. And these, I got them in the high intensity because I'm a darker skin tone, so I'd rather it be high intensity and me be able to play with it, shearing it out or building it up rather than it not being enough color. So I'm gonna go in right here. This is Velvet Melon. Really, really pretty melony. Comes up a little like a coral. And then the highlight shade is like so pretty. Yeah. Really, really pretty. So I'm actually gonna pop a little bit of this on my cheeks. Now these are, I just had to turn my fan on because sitting in front of this natural light, starting to get that undercarriage sweat. I didn't get the powders. I didn't ask for the powders because I have enough powder blushes and I've really been enjoying cream shades. So each blush is paired with a coordinating highlight, and that's that one right there. They have a skin conditioner in it. It's apricot, kernel seed oil, it has rosehip seed oil, and it has jojoba seed oil. Their products are cruelty-free, gluten-free, made without parabens. Like, they're just, you want that clean, but actually that's gonna give you a really nice pop of color. You're gonna wanna use these. Then I'm just gonna go in with that highlight shade. Oh yeah. A little right above the nose. I mean, right on the Cupid's bow. I'm going to pop a little on the lip, because why not? I'll even pop a little bit of the pink shade on here too, just so you could see the pink pops just a little more, but both just give a really pretty, just from within glow. Wait, the main thing in this video that we wanted to even talk about is the bronzer. So normally you would go from dark to light, do your bronzer first and then your blush, but you know what? It doesn't matter. We're going in. Okay, here's the thing. I thought there was gonna be a mirror in here. There's no mirror. What are you gonna do? You can't win all the time. But their new Sun Show bronzer does come in 3 shades. It is $34. I like this burnt, kind of deep red tone that it has. Really gives me that sun-kissed, like you were in Puerto Rico. Because the sun is not the same here in Jersey as it is in like the Dominican or Puerto Rico, and then you come back with different color. And I think this is really, really pretty. I like the color. And I think a little bit goes a long way. So this has shea butter, and it also has meadow foam oil, which moisturizes and plumps the skin. It's a weightless formula, effortlessly sweeps on for a silky smooth texture. And then I would even, because we did the bronzer, go a little bit in with your blush again, just to have that color just pop right through. So pretty. Back to the lip oils. So these come in 5 shades. I have Jellyfish and I have Malibu. Jellyfish is going to be like your clear, add it with anything kind of color, and then Malibu has a little bit more of that pop of pink. I'm going to pop Malibu on because I think that'll kind of go with the look that we're doing. I just put on a little bit of liner. Let's talk about the ingredients. Hyaluronic acid, peptides, evening primrose oil, avocado oil, cognac root, shea butter. I mean, these are packed with ingredients that are going to plump, soothe, hydrate the lips in a way that most lipsticks won't. I mean, it is considered a lip gloss, but it is an oil base. Just gonna put on a little bit of mascara. That's what's gonna finish this whole look. My mascara, if you watch my last video, the mascara that I am using right now is the Huda Beauty. The legit lashes. I mean, y'all, this mascara is on a whole nother level. Just so you know, the lip oils are $27. Look, and this is just the volume side. That is the final look, y'all. I mean, if I don't look sun-kissed and bronzed and glowy, like, the products give amazing pigment, amazing, you know, results in the formula. I didn't use any setting powder, but if I was going out, I would definitely set my face just to kind of lock everything in, or a setting spray. But it just, the spray just gives me everything that I really like. It looks like my skin, you know, it doesn't break the bank that much, but it's good for your skin. It's clean, it's vegan, it's paraben free, phthalate free, like gluten free, and those are things that for me, I have been seeing that are important in what I'm looking for in my products. I have finally kind of got my skin together where I'm not breaking out as much, and I see that as I've been wearing these products too, I haven't had any breakouts, so that is extremely important to me. But if you are just someone who is maybe looking to get into a brand that is more clean, but that has a lot of options, but that still looks like your skin, and that gives you that just sun-kissed glow, y'all, I mean, the bronzer's beautiful. And I don't know how it works for lighter skin, but this is like the perfect burnt red undertone for a bronzer right now that I'm really, really liking. That is my full review on Kosas. They're getting an A++++. I hope that just some of the swatches, key ingredients, and just me trying on the products for you guys helps you in the choices that you're gonna make and what cosmetics that you wanna buy. But this is a brand that is good for your skin, and it's packed with skincare that is actually just going to service your skin rather than just be a layer of makeup that sits. So thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell if you want. Let me know what products you are liking from Kosas, and thank you for watching the whole video. Peace out, Cub Scouts. I will see you in my next one.